Hello to all beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Amrita, and in today's video we will be doing this soft glam look. So to achieve this look, let's start with cleansing the face first. So you may cleanse it with a cleansing milk. If you have, just put some cleansing milk on a cotton pad and wipe your face with that. Next, I am using a toner on my face. I'm dabbing it all over my face. Here I'm using the L'Oreal one. I will mention in the description box all the products I'm using. However, you may use any toner whichever suits you. Next, I'm applying the moisturizer, and this moisturizer is from Dr. Strum. Please use any moisturizer which suits your skin. Next, to prime my face, I'm using YSL's primer, and I'll just put a little bit on my face and apply it using my fingers. Now wait for at least 30 seconds and let it absorb into your skin. Now what I'm doing is hiding few of my acne scars which I have. If you have, you can do this process. If you don't, just skip it. And for this I'm using NARS concealer in the shade Biscuit. So the idea is whatever foundation shade you use, just take 2 tone lighter than that, or maybe 1, to just hide the scars or the dark circles. So I'm applying this by dabbing this using a beauty blender. I also have some discoloration around my lips, so I'm applying there as well. Next step is the foundation. So I'm using the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This foundation is very pigmented, so 1 to 2 pumps is enough for the whole face. Next I'm doing the contour, and for this I'm using Sleek's contour palette. So I'm contouring my cheeks, my jawline, will be doing the nose, little bit around the forehead. For the concealer, I am using NARS concealer again, a shade lighter than my foundation which I use. Now blending the concealer using the beauty blender in a dabbing motion. Next, to set all of that, I am using Laura Mercier translucent setting powder and applying a very small amount using the brush in a dabbing motion, and I'm using this all over my face. Our base is done now. It's time for the eyes. For this I'm using Morphe's 35S palette, and the first shade which I am using is the shade Sandbar. I am taking this shade on a medium fluffy brush and applying it on the crease line in the back and forth motion. Now repeat this until you are happy with the intensity of the shade. Next I am picking the champagne shade from the palette using my finger and applying on the 1/3 area of my eyelid. This is a very beautiful shimmery shade, perfect for that soft glam. For the lower lash line, I'm using the first shade I used and applying that with the same brush. And I will deepen this lower lash line using a black eyeshadow from another Morphe's palette. First I applied this using a flat brush which is also angular. It's easier to apply with an angular brush. Now using a small fluffy brush, I am just blending this shade with the first shade just to soften these harsh lines. It's time for the kohl now, and I am using L'Oreal Kohl pencil on my waterline. My eyelash curler is broken, so I'm just skipping that step and using the mascara directly, and for this I'm using the Maybelline Sky High mascara. After the mascara, I applied the falsies off camera. Now using a black pen eyeliner, I am just making a line on the inner corner so that the band doesn't seem unnatural. Now for the eyebrows, I am using Maybelline Tattoo Brow Pomade in the shade dark brown. And for my eyebrows, I just make a line on the bottom and fill the gap upward. Next line on the top, leaving 1 inch gap and filling up rest of the eyebrow. Blending with the spoolie. This helps to make the lines softer and gives more natural. For the brow bone, I am using the lightest shade from the palette and highlighting the brow bone. So our eyes are done now, and it's time for the blush. For this, I am using Revolution's blush palette and mixing 2 shades and applying this using the fluffy brush, again in dabbing motion. For the highlighter, I am using MAC's highlighter on my cheeks, nose, little bit on my cupid bow, some on my chin and center of my forehead. With this soft eyes, I am wearing a red lipstick. This one is from Morphe. Our makeup is done now. Let me get ready to show you the finished look. And so this is the finished look. This is a very easy makeup to achieve, yet it's very attractive. Do try this look and you will love it, I'm sure.